Hi everybody! In this video, we will walk step by step through how to customize the Divi theme in WordPress. Whether you're building a new website or updating an old one, customizing Divi is simple once you know where to start. First, make sure you have Divi installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you don't have it yet, check the link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes for a great price. Once Divi is installed, go to your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, hover over Appearance and click on Customize. This opens the WordPress customizer, which lets you adjust your site's layout, colors, fonts, and more. Start by changing the site identity. Here, you can upload your logo, set the site title, and add a tagline. If you have a favicon, which is the small icon in browser tabs, you can add it here too. Next, move to the layout settings. Divi allows you to choose between a full-width layout or a boxed layout. You can also adjust the spacing between content and the width of the content area. Now let's go to the typography settings. In this section, you can select the fonts for your headers and body text. You can change the font size, line height, and letter spacing. Choose fonts that match the style and tone of your website. After that, open the Colors section. Divi gives you the option to set a default color palette. Pick colors that match your brand. You can apply these colors to text, buttons, backgrounds, and other design elements throughout your site. Scroll down and you will find the header and navigation settings. Here, you can adjust the style of your site's main menu. You can change the menu's position, font style, and background color. You can also enable a fixed navigation bar that stays visible while scrolling. When you finish with the WordPress customizer, it's time to open the Divi Theme Options panel. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and click Divi, then Theme Options. This panel gives you more control over your site's features. For example, you can enable or disable the fixed header, set social media icons, upload a custom logo, and choose a color scheme. Next, use the Divi Builder to customize individual pages. Go to any page and click Edit with Divi. From there, you can add rows, columns, and modules like text, images, buttons, and sliders. You can also adjust the spacing and background of each section using the Design tab inside each module. Once your customizations are complete, always click Save or Publish to make the changes live on your site. That covers the basics of customizing the Divi theme in WordPress. Take your time to experiment with different settings and layouts. You can always preview changes before saving. To get started with Divi, check the link in the description for a special offer from Elegant Themes.